Sybase ASE operations. Extending a Sybase ASE database. When the space in a Sybase ASE database runs low, it may be necessary to extend the size of the database. Here are the steps to extend a Sybase ASE database. 1. Determine the current size of the database by running the command sp_helpdb. 2. Determine the amount of additional space needed for the database. 3. Create a new device for the additional space. 3. This can be done by running the command disk_init_name equals vice_name equals vdevno equals. 4. Add the new device to the database by running the command sp_addMp_device disk. 5. Extend the database by running the command sp_extenddb. 6. Verify that the database has been successfully extended by running the command sp_helpdb again. It is important to note that extending a database can have an impact on performance and other factors. It is recommended to consult with a Sybase DBA before proceeding. It is also important to have a backup of the database before proceeding with the extension. Additionally, it is important to monitor the database for any issues and to have a plan for adding additional space if needed in the future. The transaction log in a Sybase ASE database is used to record all changes made to the database. It is important to monitor the transaction log to ensure that it does not become full, as this can cause issues with the database. Here are the steps to monitor and clear the transaction log in a Sybase ASE database. 1. Monitor the transaction log usage by running the command sp_helpdb and looking at the log segment_size and log segment_free values. 2. If the log segment_free value is low, consider clearing the transaction log by running the command dump transaction with truncate_only. 2. This will remove all committed transactions from the log, freeing up space. 3. Alternatively, you can use the command dump transaction to with truncate_only to dump the transactions to a dump device. 4. It is important to note that clearing the transaction log will also remove any uncommitted transactions, so it should be done with caution. 5. It is also important to regularly schedule backups and truncate the logs. 6. Also, it is important to monitor the logs for unusual activity, such as large numbers of failed transactions or long-running transactions, as these can indicate issues with the database. 7. As an alternative, you can use third-party tools such as ApexSQL Log to read transaction logs and monitor the activity. In general, it is important to monitor the transaction log usage and take action when necessary to ensure the stable operation of the Sybase ASE database.